Hey boos, welcome back to my channel.
Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up by Louis, might clap it on Gucci, cause I know you want a big Birk. I'm on a low, she said she really wanna take it slow.
I just wanna let y'all know that I accidentally cut off like my whole eyebrow. My whole eyebrow. So thank goodness I made those growth oils, because dang, I need it. But today we're opening some more packages. It's just 3 this time. And a few of y'all commented under my video saying that y'all like these videos and that I should still do them, even though like I posted mad of them already. So I'm gonna still do them for you, period. Hold on, we gotta fix that. So all of these packages came off of Amazon. These are really just props for my the pictures that I'm gonna take of my products and stuff like that. So I thought I'd just show you guys. Okay, here's the first thing. Oh, I was about to say, this is not at all what it looked like. Okay, so I got 2 pillowcases. Why did I get pillowcases? Because the rugs were more expensive than the pillowcases, and they gave me 2 for like, I think 12 or 13 or 20, one of those. I don't even know what's going on, but anyways, this is what it looks like. There it is, close up. It's cute, it's pink. It'll be in the background of my pictures, and I could also use it as a pillow, you feel me? Okay, clearly it sheds. Y'all saw it here first. Next package. Would y'all be interested if I made a how to start your business video? Because I've been thinking about it a lot. But would you guys want to see that is the question that I need answered. Comment down below and let me know. Thank you very much. Here's the next one. I think this is also a pillow. Yeah. Is it not? Oh, it is. I got 2 more pillowcases. Just in white. You can never go wrong with a simple, you know, white, fluffy, cute background. This one sheds too. I should have never did that. Did y'all see? Did y'all see all of those though? I don't think y'all saw all of those. Like, they're still flying around here too. Oh my goodness. All right. I cannot. Ooh. Baby. I needed a more girlier touch to my pictures because I feel like it's too. I'll insert a few, but I feel like it's too. Like I said, so I just got some what you call these? Hold on. These are called clear acrylic somethings. That's all I can see right now. It says clear acrylic ... They're in the size 10mm, 6mm, and 4.5mm. So I'm glad that I got this because I wanted a variety of sizes. Don't this just look so glam? This looks amazing. And then I'm gonna probably order another pack of this because I kind of want to include it in my packaging. I think that's really cute. But let me know, do you guys think I should include this in my packaging? Is it pointless? Is it cute? Is it, I don't know, comment down below, let me know. But let me take a thumbnail. Do I look ridiculous or what? Anyways, thank you guys for watching this. Oh my gosh, yo, get these out of here. Thank you guys for watching this quick little video. Today y'all won't just be getting this video because it's so short, but y'all be getting another video as well, so be on the lookout for that. But y'all gonna be getting this video and my skincare routine video, because recently y'all have been commenting, DMing me that I should do a skincare routine. So I'm gonna give y'all a skincare routine, period. So if you like this video, if you like me, because I know this video was mad short, so there's really nothing to like, then please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Oh my gosh, do y'all, I can't even see it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. And you guys, please comment down below what you would like to see in my business, what products you would like me to have, things like that, anything you would like me to add, colors, designs, whatever. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming towards you guys, coming your way, feel me? But I also want to know what you guys want. I want to hear from you guys, because at the end of the day, like I keep telling y'all, you guys are gonna be my future customers. If you guys mess with me, I mess with you. No, but for real, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on with him.